This is Bix. This is my friend Lane. Welcome to BickdUp! Look at us. Oh shit! Oh my! Holy shit! Oh.
That ain't good at all.
Nope. So that wasn't good. So this is Lane, and this is his off-road Isuzu. Oh shit. Hey, did you see this? Was this like this already? Broken?
Where?
Right there.
Oh no, we broke that.
Fuck.
Okay. That's fine. I can get new plexiglass pieces.
But yeah, that last one wasn't so good.
Part of the fuel pump ripped off.
Oh.
I haven't soldered this new relay
Oh good,
for
okay.
the temp fix. So I have the tools in here to fix that real quick.
Sweet. Some fucking off-road fixes. That'll happen on the bigger jumps.
That's an easy fix.
Show her off a little bit out here. Skeeter land.
Huh?
We're in fucking Skeeter land.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Is that a male or a female connector that I need? It's female,
You need a female, yeah. He's got some custom shit going on. He came up from Texas. This is his dune jumping rig. I've never seen one of these before. What's it called? An Isuzu what?
It's an Isuzu Amigo.
Isuzu Amigo. Mexican rig car.
Fuel leaks or anything?
No, I don't see any. We just switch the pump back on. Sounds good.
Yeah. Go ahead and try to start it.
Yeah. Here.
When it was shutting off on us, that was the fuel pump running out of fuel line pressure.
Yeah.
Nice fix!
Sweet.
Gotta solder that so that we don't run into that problem again.
Yeah, we can do that when we get back too. Fucking whiplash.
Alright.
Oh,
Let's maybe take this slower. Was not expecting it to be that suddenly.
That was fucking awesome.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, take it easy. See if there's anything else. You feel anything else wrong with it or no?
I don't think that I've hit this thing a lot harder before.
Yeah.
But I didn't have the fuel pump wired up to that relay with just the connectors.
Gotcha.
So.
Well, it feels like it drives fine though.
Yeah, it feels great.
Sweet.
Rig it on both sides, huh?
Did it?
Yep.
Oh shit.
That's fine. It's pretty easy to get the either a new soft top for the rear or the new hard top plexiglass. It's not that expensive either. So if you get stuck in this thing in the sand and you bury it, you can actually heat the exhaust up too much. And when that happens, the exhaust gets kind of brittle and weak. So then I went off-roading again. I broke the exhaust in a couple of spots that I built.
That's smart.
That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's somebody gets stuck there before and tried to dig themselves out.
Yeah.
Buried their rear end or something. Right. No problem getting through muddy terrain like that. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna need a little bit of a wash.
It's probably only used to sand, right?
Yeah, I haven't taken a mudding yet. It was really clean.
Yeah, it was. Sweet.
Alright.
Should we go back and fix her up a little bit?
Yeah, we can head back and take a look at it.
Yes.
See if there's any other issues. I'm in Dakota Squadron 213 Cav out of 3rd Brigade. I'm a tank commander. I've been a tanker my whole career. I've been in about 5 years now. Contract ends here soon. Came home for the 4th of July. And I decided I was going to bring this thing up here. This I bought down in Arizona. It's a Isuzu Amigo. Amigo means friend. It's part of their MU platform. And it's a group of vehicles. You have your, for the American market, you have your Amigo, that's this 2-door with a removable top. Then you have the Rodeo, whatever you want to call it, and that one's the 4-door. And then there's a larger model called the Trooper. That one's more spacious. It's like, it's almost as big as a Suburban. So those are actually really nice. They have more features, obviously, like power windows and stuff. But yeah, I got this thing. We got some bead locking rims. We got a 3-inch lift, 33-inch tires, some beefier suspension in the front and the rear, and I've been ramping sand dunes for about a year now with this thing.
Do you have any clips of that too?
I don't. I'm usually driving. I can ask some people if they've got clips.
That'd be cool.
I have clips of my buddy's Rodeo. Feel the speed.
Oh, step on it! Oh!
Oh shit! We actually, it's kind of dangerous. You got to take it slow. Initially, you go over the dunes. You check the angles. You don't want to do what we did one time, and we landed directly on the front end and totaled his Isuzu.
Were you in it?
Yep.
God.
But I mean, outside of actually landing on the front end of the Isuzu, we really had a hard time braking them. They just take beating after beating and then continue to drive straight on the highway. So.
Like a fucking Hilux.
We've become very big fans of these things. I've driven it 3,000 miles. The majority of that's heavy off-roading, and it hasn't burned or leaked any oil so far. So.
And you road tripped it all the way from...
Yeah, so I did a 28-hour drive from El Paso to Arizona and then up to South Dakota.
So it's fucking reliable too.
Yeah,
Cool.
it's been a really nice car. And that was a few days after I was jumping sand dunes that I decided to come up here.
Dune buggy for the streets. An aftermath.
That was there already.
Device is too hot. That's broken. That's broken. So, nothing like... So he said he tightened this too much just to hold it on there, and then...
Because I was driving 28 hours, mostly highway. I didn't want it to like catch the air or anything.
We're gonna turn the Brat into one of these. Right, Lane?
That would be fun.
That would be fucking fun. Lift it up. EJ22 swap. Yeah. That is the Isuzu Amigo.
It's a lock, right? See the arrow points to lock, right? It clicks.
Nice. 4-wheel. You ready? Whoa!
What's going on with the fence there, though?
I'll go check it out.
Probably barbed wire.
It's fucking Skeeter land.
Cornfield right here.
I was trying to drive over here though, because it's got a whole bunch of fucking. This grass is way too tall. There's too much fucking bullshit.
Oh,
That's fine. Hit bigger trees.
I mean, it does say minimum.
that's what we like.
This is a no maintenance road.
Going down.
Really?
Yeah, look at money.
Money.
No maintenance. There we go.
No travel advised.
No travel advised. Take it slow. First time. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're not going into that.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
not
it's a
good.
game production area.
Oh.
Technically, you could drive in there.
Ah, look where it is. See how the lake's over there?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
The lake isn't
the
over
grass
there.
is hiding the fact that there's water there.
Oh, it for sure is.
So if I go in there, the car is getting stuck there, and I'm not getting it back.
It's only gonna make it back to Texas. It's
Where's
fine.
your winch?
I ain't got a winch.
Michael, let's go swimming in there.
Okay.
Let's go run down the road.
Okay.
I mean,
But the other end looks really cool.
you can't prove that it's not a good idea, Michael.
Yeah, we could go walk in there and see if it's a good idea.
I looked for a good one for a long time. The original one, I bought one originally, the same color, but it was newer. It was technically a second generation. It had a V6, four-wheel drive, you know, all that. But it had the soft top in the rear instead of the hard top. So the hard top stuff is kind of new to me. But I left it on base where it was not allowed to sit while we were on deployment, and it was marked as a abandoned vehicle and then towed while I was on deployment.
In Korea.
Which is my fault because I didn't update the registration, and it sat there out of date registration where it wasn't supposed to be sat. They ended up towing it, so they auctioned it off before I got back from Korea. And since then, I've been looking for a new one, and I found this one in Phoenix. It was in really good condition. No leaks. The engine doesn't burn any oil, so